Hey, welcome to the Life of Low here on YouTube. Another video. See what we're doing today. Taking all these basketball singles, sorted by team, and emptying this box. So about a long time ago, 15, 20 years ago, I put together these team packs. I wrapped them in saran wrap. You know, back then I didn't have all these card supplies that I'm used to having nowadays. But either way, I made these team packs. There's like maybe 12 to 15 cards, can't recall. And I'm basically breaking them open. Little Larry Bird action, that's what's up. And putting them back in by team into this big box. Then I'll go through this big box and, you know, see what cards are in here. Some Reggie Miller, got rookie there. Got here some bonus color. So that's what's up. So we got some stuff in here. Now this is a bonus. Chuck. But maybe take some of these singles, do some 99-cent auctions on my eBay store. Low deals on eBay. And the other ones will remake team packs. But instead of these little packs wrapped in saran wrap, we will put together however many packs fit. We got all these team bags now, right? So we got team bags galore, a bunch of team bags, and we'll break those into team bags and sell those for maybe, I don't know, $4.99 starting auction. Figure something out. But yeah, that's what we got going on this morning. Y'all have a good one. Go check out the store. Always some low deals. Take care.
I'm out getting this money to the buck to a stack. I turned that stack into a rack. eBay sales by the motherfucking brand.